Credit monitoring arrangement. This is basically an Excel spreadsheet used by the bankers, lending institutions to have the financial modeling of their borrowers. Yes, it's a spreadsheet where they will be capturing the past financial information. That is, all the numbers will be captured in the spreadsheet, classifying them into assets, liabilities, and operating statement. And they'll be feeding the estimates and projections as well as in the spreadsheet. And the beauty is, it will automatically generate all the ratios. It will calculate what is the working capital holding levels, what is the cash flow position, what is the fund flow position. So it's going to give lot many information, and that will become the base for the appraisal memorandum which they prepare and put up to sanctioning authority. So if you wish to learn more about CMA, just comment CMA. Will share the template with you, and you will also get an option to upgrade or enroll our CMA report course.